guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a cut crease. If you guys want to find out how I do it, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I already did my eyebrows, I moisturized and I primed off camera. So we're going to go on with the eyes. I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in medium olive, and we're going to put that in our lid and we're going to melt that in with our fingers. Now that I have the concealer on my lids, I'm going to move on with my shadow, and I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer Palette, this one here. And I'm going to be using the color Star Power, this nice beautiful pink here. Using this brush right here, this fluffy brush, and I'm gonna grab just a little bit of product and we're gonna put it on my crease. Okay, starting here at the outer corner of my eye, we're gonna apply it. I'm gonna be doing the same thing with my other eye. Again, starting here and blending inward. I'm gonna be applying it to my crease. Okay. So again, we're gonna be building up this color and applying it in my crease. Okay. One more thing, make sure you guys blend the edges here. Okay, same thing with this side. Guys, so now I'm going to be cutting my crease, and I'm going to be using this brush here. Okay. And I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and it's in the color medium olive. All right. Now that we have cut my crease, we are going to be going in with the color Princess. This one here from the same palette, Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer Palette. I'm gonna grab some product and we are gonna place it on our lid like so. Again, I'm using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer Palette, and I'm going to be using the color Princess. Okay, we're going to put it on my lid here, and we're going to tap that in. Okay. Alright guys, we have set our cut crease with the color Princess. We are going to be grabbing this brush here, and we're going to be grabbing the color Confession. I'm going to be placing it right here. Okay, and we're going to blend that in right there. Like so. And we're going to do the same thing with my other eye. Okay, grabbing Confession and putting it here and blending that in. Moving on, I'm gonna be adding glitter from Wet n Wild in the color Bleached. Alright. And I'm gonna be applying it with my fingertips. Don't rub, just tap. Same thing with my other eye. I'm gonna grab some glitter and we're gonna tap it into my lid. Alright guys, now I'm gonna grab this brush and I'm gonna be applying Star Power on my lower lash line. Okay, like so. And I'm gonna do the same thing for my other eye. Alright guys, now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner and I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Blackest Black, this pot here. Okay, and I'm gonna be applying it to my waterline. Like so. I'm also gonna apply it to the top. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing with my other eye. Alright guys, moving on with my liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Flash Cat Eye in the color Black. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing with our other eye. Alrighty guys, so I'm already done with my liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna be doing my foundation and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline 24-Hour foundation in the shade 130. Okay, can you see? And I'm also gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Long Wear in the shade 490. Okay, so I'm going to be using 1 pump of the L'Oreal and 2 pumps of the Maybelline 24-Hour Wear. Okay, I'm going to take my beauty sponge and I'm going to tap that in and I'm going to mix the two together. Alright, so now that we have mixed the two together, I'm going to apply it to my face. Alright guys, once you have applied your foundation and melted that in completely, we are going to bake, okay? So now that I have applied my foundation, I'm going to be baking and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Loose Powder in Light. Okay. So I'm going to grab the back end of my beauty sponge. Alright, and I'm going to start baking. I'm going to put some here. And here, and there, and on my forehead, around your nose as well. And I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring. So I'm gonna grab the same powder, I'm gonna bring it down my nose, okay? Same thing with the other side. Okay. One more time. Down the nose. Moving on with my bronzer. I'm gonna get this bronzer here with my brush. I'm gonna tap it. And I'm gonna be putting some on my nose, okay? Like so. Okay, down the middle of my nose. Okay, and on the hollows of my cheeks, okay, right here. Can you guys see? Alright, I'm gonna be placing it on there, and I'm gonna be buffing that out. Alright, like so. Alright guys, so same thing with this side. Grab some product, place it here, and blend that in, okay? Bring it up to the temples and up to the forehead, just a bit. And same thing with this side, okay? Bring it up and up to the forehead just a bit, okay? Moving on with my blush, I'm going to be using the Covergirl blush in Soft Mink, and I'm going to be applying it to my cheeks. Okay, we're going to tap that in. Don't sweep your brush. Well, you could sweep it, but very lightly. Okay, we don't want to move product around. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing with the other side. Tap that in to the apple of our cheek, like so. So once the blush is on, I'm gonna be taking my brush and I'm gonna be taking out the excess powder, okay? Okay, off the nose. Blend that into the forehead. We're gonna be taking out that excess powder. Okay, I'm gonna move on with highlighting. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This one here. And I'm gonna be using this brush here. Okay, placing it on here. Okay, like so. Okay, and now on the other side. A little bit on the nose. On my Cupid's bow. And a little bit right here. Okay. And on here. Along with my lips, I'm gonna outline them with this brown lip liner. Okay. Now that the lips are outlined, I'm going in with the Marc Jacobs Kiss Kiss Bang Bang lipstick. Okay. And finishing up with the Covergirl lip gloss. Alrighty guys, so this is the end result of this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah.